Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine. Now friends, in this video once again I'm talking about the harmony. What's the current price of the harmony, what's the prices occur in the harmony. In this video I will show you friends, so keep watch this video till the end friends. And if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe to this tech channel, like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos. Anyways, let's start the video friends and let's move on. So please, before starting this interesting video, once again I request all of you that please don't ignore my words. Kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel and like this video friends. So friends, the current price of the harmony as 0.136738 USD dollar is the current price of the harmony. On the other side, if you look the prices occur in the harmony, so absolutely the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, prices occur in the harmony as going negative. Friends, only the last 1 week prices as positive, except after the last 1 week, the last 1 day, the last 1 hour prices of the harmony as going negative. That's really bad news for all our harmony holders, but don't lose hope, be patient. Once again they start jumping very soon. Keep watch. Anyways, if you look the prices occur in the harmony in the 24 hours, so that is the last 1 day price chart. Last 1 day prices occur in the harmony, so negative 10.49% price falls occur in the harmony. And if you look the highest price, so 0.180716 US dollar is the highest price of the harmony. On the other side, if you look the price changes occur, so absolutely now this time the very bad falls continue in a harmony. I hope that very soon they finish this. Oh my god, now the harmony one price falls down is finished, and now it's time to take a jump. As you can see here, there is the last price chart of the harmony. Now at this time they start jumping, and I hope that harmony continue this kind of jump for a long time. And now absolutely I'm very keen to see this kind of jump, and I hope that they continue this jump for a long time. And so what's your prediction? My prediction is also about harmony is positive, and I think that after a few hours fast they again start jumping, but now this time they also taken a jump. So what's your prediction and what's your opinion about harmony? My prediction is positive, and my personal suggestion for all of my viewers, especially for my subscriber, that please hold harmony at this time. Don't sell it, it's time to hold harmony. What's your opinion, what's your prediction? Please tell me in the comment box. And kindly friends, don't forget to subscribe to this tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.